Hello to Swiss German in 3 minutes. Today we're gonna talk about greetings. So to say hi to someone, it's important to know that we have a formal and an informal way of saying hi. So if you know this person, if it's a friend or from family or whoever you just are familiar with, you would just say hoi, hoi. Grüezi, grüezi, grüezi. If you know the name of the other person, the family name, you could say grüezi Herr Meier or grüezi Frau Meier or whatever they are called, of course. If you are not sure about formal or informal, if you're not sure, am I allowed to say hoi to this person? A very good way of saying hi without offending anybody, but being neutral would be hallo, 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 you can say to everybody. If you want to say good morning or good afternoon or these kind of things, in Swiss German, we just say guten Morgen for good morning. Guten Tag, that you can say during the whole day, or guten Abend. Guten Abend is, you can say that in the evening. And these greetings you can use in a formal or informal situation. They work for both ways. So how do you say bye? The informal way, you can just say ciao, ciao, or tschüss. If you want to use the formal version, like if you go shopping or somewhere, if you're in a store, or if you are in a restaurant and you leave, you can say adieu, adieu, or shorten it and just say ade. Usually the shop owner would say auf Wiedersehen because he hopes that you'll come back. And you would just say adieu. Okay, are you ready to jump to the next lesson? Then stay tuned!